Pain is one of the most scary and probably one of the least understood phenomenon in the human body. It is scary because it's very unpleasant, and since we don't really know where it's coming from, it also creates lots of anxiety. Now, the area of the body which lots of people these days complain or suffer from pain is the area of the upper back, shoulders, neck. And we often look for the solution in the very isolated fashion. So if it hurts neck, it's probably a neck problem. If it hurts shoulders, it may seem like a shoulder problem, while the reality is a lot more complex and a lot more complicated. First, pain does not equal damage. So wherever we feel or whenever we feel pain, it doesn't automatically mean that there is some physical or mechanical damage within the tissue. Pain is more of the alarm signal of our nervous system that something that is not familiar or something that may impose a threat is happening within the body. In order to improve the condition, we need to look at this from the very complex perspective. First of all, shoulder girdle is part of the whole upper back system. That is attaching to the spine through the muscles. This is attaching to sternum in the front through very tiny joint. All the muscles around are supposed to work in the balance with equal forces to provide optimal movement. Once the balance is distracted, body goes into altered state and performs the movement in not very anatomically optimal fashion. Pain or tension in one area doesn't mean that this area needs most of attention. Usually, it's a little bit more complicated solution. If you feel tension in the front of your shoulders, it may need some relaxation. It may need some lacrosse ball work or some manual massage. But that's not the end of the story. We need to stretch a tissue that holds this structure in front. But stretching this tissue doesn't automatically improve the rest of the system. We need to strengthen muscles that are on the back, because once we stretch the front, the back doesn't automatically pull back. It holds it in the certain position. Body follows the principle of form follows function. So if we alter the function, the body will adopt and it will consider this as the normal, natural state. So in order to improve range of motion, mobility, health of the whole upper body, we need to work on the spine, flexion, extension, rotation. We need to work on the shoulder blades, all the directions of the movement. We need to work on the neck, protraction, retraction, and we also need to work on the muscles that are stabilizing shoulder blade in order for the arm to move freely. On top of this, we need to take into account the nervous system and tension in general. So our breathing, our rib cage. The fuller we breathe, the more we extend the thoracic spine and the rib cage. The slower we breathe, more relaxation we bring into muscle, more release we will experience in the body. So to put it shortly, do not treat local symptoms. In order to improve conditions, we have to look in the whole system as one. Relaxation, stretch from one side usually, and strength and control from the opposite side. I am located in Ho Chi Minh City in Thao Dien area. If you would like to consult your problem and see if we can find solution, book a consultation or pay me a visit at BodyShape. If you like my content and would like to hear more tips like this, follow for more, share, comment.